Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V60E and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps. Let's stop. Then let's go to see all 73 apps, of course 73 in my case, and here we've got the full list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are using frequently, and remove cache. So let me open maybe messages. Just tap on the specific app and go to storage and cache. And as you can see here, we've got this cache section, and cache are basically junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make the app totally brand new. Removing cache might seem a little bit maybe not efficient enough. However, just take under the consideration that we've got a lot of apps, and summing all of those cache up, we will release quite a lot of memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.